So good day my dear friends, we are here again at Motorjoy, Panabo City. And when we talk about Honda, this is perhaps the best looking scooter na mabibili mo sa kanila. And it's such a competitive brand na masasabi mo talagang ginawa nila ng anibersaryo limited edition. Para sa akin, swak na swak yung kanyang kulay. May mga pagbabago dito sa motorsiklo na to, but you know how it goes. Before anything else, let's give it a proper beat. So in terms of the performance, ito pa rin ang pinakamabilis. Pinakamalakas na 125cc scooter na mabibili mo. Naka 2 valve pa rin po with a single overhead cam. Naka round up to 11 horsepower and 11 Nm of torque. Naka liquid cooled pa rin po, pero may improvement na itong motorsiklo na to sa ngayon kasi nga nasa 53.3 km per liter na siya with a 5.5 liters gas tank capacity. And you cannot deny that this is an ESP engine. Ang kanyang wet weight, 112 kilograms. And kung susumatotalin mo, ito talaga ang pinakamabigat na 125cc. For the seat height, hanap tayo ng Chika Bebe. So pagdating sa seat height, ayan si Ma'am Dove, ang ating seat height model. And she is 4'11". Susubukin niya itong 769mm seat height ng Honda Click. Ma'am, upo tayo. Sige, tayo mo ma'am, kaya? Ayan, sagad po talaga kasi siya. To be quite honest, hindi marunong magmotor si Ma'am Dove, pero ayan po, kaya namang itayo, di ba? Kaya namang itayo, pero nandun talaga siya sa dulo kung tititigan niya. Ayan, if you are 4'11", this is almost perfect for you, and you will look definitely beautiful on this motorcycle, just like Ma'am Dove. Ang kanyang wheelbase, 1,280mm. Ang kanyang ground clearance, 131mm lang. Expect nothing much on the ground clearance kasi this is a street scooter. So in terms of the lighting and everything, iisa lang po, pareho lang po sila. Nag-improve lang talaga yung kanyang fuel consumption. And this is perhaps for me the most beautiful livery na makikita mo kay Honda. It has the red, white and blue, and parang westernized talaga yung kanyang styling. So if you've been watching my Honda Click videos for a very long time, hindi pa rin nila binago ang kanilang inverted digital display. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo kung meron pa akong clip noon, or otherwise watch it in my old videos. And tignan nga natin kung sticker pa. Yun nga lang, sticker pa rin. Pero the paint job itself, my dear friends, oh, ayan o, kung ikukumpara mo siya sa puti, mas lamang to. This is, I think, pearl white or something coming from Toyota na premium paint job na white. This is what you are getting. You're still having the LED all the way. And isa sa pinakamaganda sa kanya, kahit na naka-sticker lang po yung kanyang red and yung kanyang blue, seamless naman po sa malayo and hindi mo mapapansin unless titigan mo siya na maigi. Grabe, 125cc, may air intake oh. Panalo. Alright. And finally, they released this one in Honda Philippines na yung tipong anniversaryo 50th po siya. Nata limited edition pala. Kinorek ko na and na-rectify ko na in my video, so hindi nyo na kailangan mag-comment. Or if you have any violent reactions, please comment down below. Ang kanyang taillight, mas lalo tuloy kumikinang because of the blue behind it. Because of the color combination, napaganda niya talaga yung datingan ng kanyang harap at saka likuran. Isa sa nagustuhan ko sa kanya is yung dito niya. Ayun, lumalabas yung parang pangil niya. Para sa akin, taog talaga yung ibang variants nito because of this one. And napaka-competitive ng kanyang power, so hindi ka mabibitin dito if you are comparing it to 125 power. So pagdating naman po sa kanyang seat, ito yung nirereklamo ko kay Honda Click at saka kay Honda Beat for a very long time. Bakit hindi nila palitan yung seat? Taasan nila ng presyo kung gugustuhin nila. Itiwala naman yung mga consumers dito, pero this one on the other hand, ayun, you may customize this one as well. Marami naman tayo nakikitang customized na. And kung titignan nyo ba naman, sinadya nilang perforated to para yung tipong hindi mainit si Bets kapag uupuan mo So ayan, napakaganda din ng kanyang grab bar. Kung titignan nyo, ang kinis, mas makinis pa sa ex-girlfriend mo. And detachable din siya on this part, and on this part. So pwede mong palitan, pwede mong paliitan. So ito yung makukuha natin dito. Ayan, it's all the same thing my dear friends. Wala silang pinagbago. Nagmukha lang talaga siya maganda because of its livery. Ayan po, naka USB port tayo. Ayan my dear friends. Very spacious naman po. Isang buong malaking phone, pwede. Dito on the other hand, ito lang po yung makukuha natin. And I have to mention the side mirror by the way my dear friends. It's beautifully done. And aside from its design, ito yung may reklamo ko, may kulang siya dito. Alam niyo na po kung ano yun. The grips, maganda naman po ang pagkakayari. It has a park brake. So you can park almost anywhere you like with this motorcycle. May branding po ang kanyang brake cylinder. Ayun po, Tokico. And syempre, naka-Tokico branded caliper po tayo with the wavy disc. Sa likuran naman meron po tayong leading drum brake. Naka-combi brake siya. Aside from the black wheels, this is what you are getting when you're buying the special edition 50th anniversary. Naka-bronze styling po siya. Yung tipong parang space gray ng isang iPhone. You cannot be mistaken with the branded Showa non-inverted front suspension with this one. Dito naman po sa kabila, naka-monoshock po. May mga Honda branding ka makikita. Okay. Nicely done po. Nicely done. And ang size ng kanyang gulong, 90, 80, 14 po tayo sa harapan. Sa may likuran naman, 100, 80, 14. Beefy naman siya for its own body. And I've got to mention this one by the way my dear friends. Napakaganda po ng kanyang mudguard. Maganda yung disenyo niya para sa akin. I appreciate it. So sabi ni Sir Vin, kahit na installment lang dito kay Motor
Dalawang susi na
dalawang
po, sir.
susi na ibibigay. So wala na kayong copy nito, no?
Yes po, sir.
So kapag nawala ni Sir,
Automatic na sa kanila na yung ano, sir.
yung sagutin talaga.
Wala na
ayan.
kaming copy, sir.
So massive shoutout kay Sir Vin. May gusto kayo pa shoutout Sir Vin?
Yung Honda Motor Joy Panabo, visit lang po.
Ayan. I'll link in the description yung number nyo. Magbigay kayo
Yes
ng
po,
number nyo.
sir.
dito.
Meron kami.
Ayan. Massive shoutout sa kanya. Alrighty. So pagdating sa presyohan, my dear friends, hawak-hawak ko na yung for display nila. I-display pa lang kasi nila tong motorsiklo na to. And thanks to them na pinayagan ako yung vlog tong motorsiklo nila. Ngayon, ang kanyang lowest down payment, 4,200 Philippine pesos only. Ang kanyang monthly installment for 36 months, 4,190. Para sa akin, ox na yun if you wanted to own a premium looking 125cc. Ang kanyang rebates if you pay on time or before the due date, 500 pesos only. Ang kanilang cash price dito kay Motor Trade, 86,500. Now, I wouldn't argue with that kasi nga sobrang lakas magpautang ni Motor Trade and sobrang bilis nilang mag-approve ng application. So ayan, massive shoutout sa kanila and massive shoutout to all the staffs in Motor Joy Honda Panabo City.
I